In previous video, we have created a VPC and a subnet. If we run a playbook, you can see that we do have a VPC, we do have a subnet, but we don't have any internet gateway or route table. So today we're gonna create two more components in this VPC. The first one is internet gateway. We need a VPC ID. We already have it. And AWS region, of course. I'll just copy them. Let's have a try. The playbook succeeded. Let's check the internet gateway. I want to refresh. You can see there is a internet gateway created. In the VPC, ending with 31C8. Let's keep going. The second thing we want to create today is the route table. Same, we're gonna need a AWS region. We're gonna use the same VPC ID. This table gonna be created for this subnet. I need a variable. We haven't defined it yet. I'll do it later. So this subnet will be associated with this root, which is if the destination is 000/0, which is the default gateway. We're gonna go through with this internet gateway. Same, I have to define the variable of the internet gateway. We use the same tags. We register the internet gateway and the public subnet. So these, you can see, these are all the components we need to make it a real VPC. So when we're talking about a VPC, it includes VPC, subnet, internet gateway, and a root table. There's an error failed while creating the subnet register. This must be because of the ident. Same for the internet gateway format issue. Failed again. There's something wrong with the JSON output. It says there's no results. I couldn't tell what's wrong here. Let's do some debug. We can print it out to see what's in there and what's not in there. Okay, you can see inside public subnet there is a subnet. In this case, there's no result. Paused. We have the VPC, we have the subnet, we have the internet gateway. Where is the table? There's nothing wrong. We are looking for this subnet. Let's see if it is here. There it is on the top. So it has been created. Now we can get rid of the debug, or maybe we can give it a proper debug session or info session. And then I run. done.